Hey everybody, this is me, Nita, and I'm going to show you my collection of my stuffed animals, and here they all are, except for that's my pillow pet. So here it is. I was pretty sure I had more, but so yeah. So first, let's start with this guy, and his name is Garfield. If you know the movie Garfield or the episode. Okay, so here he is. Like I should zoom out. So this is him, and so this is how his eyes look like, and his eyes right here are plastic, and his nose is plastic too, and his body, I'm pretty sure he's made in China. Maybe. Next is this bear with a little bow on him, and his full size is this. He's pretty big. Then Papa Bear, which is Snow Bear, and he's dirty because I had him from really long a time ago. So here's them. This Pikachu, and I got him from Morning Glory. Morning Glory sells really cute squishies and stuff. So next I have this little duck, and this one's the oldest from all of these. All of these like 4 years old, or this one's like 10 years old now. He's been with me 9 years old. He's been with me like when I was 1 year old. Now I'm 10. This little bear, little baby bear, and he's cute, his little teddy bear. And then this panda with holding a baboo in his mouth, and then this little bunny with a diaper. And so that's that. And thank you for watching, and bye bye.